Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Our topic is about simple Java programming to convert decimal number to binary. Import the java.util.scanner class for user input. Create a scanner object to read user input. Prompt the user to enter a decimal number. Use scanner.nextInt close and open parenthesis to read the decimal input. Close the scanner object. Call the decimal to binary, close and open parenthesis. Method to convert the decimal number. Display the binary representation. Alternative implementation, manual conversion. If you want to implementation conversion manually without using integer to binary string, close and open parenthesis, use this approach. Public static string decimal to binary, open parenthesis and int decimal and close parenthesis, and put it a bracket. String binary use this approach, and this is our programming. This manual implementation uses a while loop to repeatedly divide the decimal number by 2, appending the remainders 0 or 1 to the binary string. Example use cases. Number 1, input 12 and the output is 1100. Number 2 is input 255, the output is 11111111. Number 3, input 10, the output is 1010. This is the output. We input 12, and then this is output, binary representation 1100, and to a second is we input 255 and the output is 111111, and third is we input 10. The binary representation is 1010. And that's all for our programming.